how you can learn about the cybersecurity, from where you need to learn, because so many people are coming out from the college graduation, right? So in the college graduation, whatever you are studying, yes, that is good, but whenever you talk about the production, whenever you talk about in the real time scenario, this is completely different. So if you are from a different domain also, then there is no problem in that, because if I talk about myself, I am not from the CS background, I am not from the computer science, I am not from the cybersecurity. I'm completely from a different domain, and I am working. I came from the mechanical domain. So this is all about how I have done my transition from a different domain to this one. So there is no rule that you have to do this certification or you have to do this courses to join into the cybersecurity. No, it is not like that. Hello everyone, I am Biswajit and I am working as a cybersecurity engineer. So in the corporate sector, so I have started my career in as a cybersecurity trainee, and now I'm working as a senior cybersecurity engineer. So today is my first YouTube video. Before deep dive into what is the agenda behind this video, so before that, I just wanted to share a statistics number related to the cybersecurity. In today's world, you can see in the 2023 there are 4.6 million cybersecurity professionals are there. But if you can see in the future prediction of 5 year, you can see 8.1 million of cybersecurity professionals are required. So this is more into 62% of the hike, right? 62% hike, in the sense 3.5 more million jobs are required. So this is why I wanted to share about my experience, how to get more professionals into this domain. So in this YouTube channel, you can expect more into the cybersecurity related to the corporate cybersecurity. So how the industry works, cybersecurity industry works. So that I am going to share about that. So how the cybersecurity hierarchy. So how many engineers are there? How many solution architects are there? How many CISOs are there? So from the ground to top level, right? So whenever you are joining as a fresher, right? So you may be joined as a trainee, you may be joined as an intern, then you will be promoted to analyst, then you promoted to engineer, then second senior engineer, then so on so forth to till CISO, right? So in the cybersecurity, we think that CISO is the top most respected position in the cybersecurity. So each and every domain and each and every designation, what is your roles and responsibility, what will be your work culture, what will be your day-to-day activity, each and everything I'm going to share about that. So in the security engine, so why it is your importance? What are the things you have to do in your day-to-day lives? So that also I'm going to I want to share about that also, right? In the cybersecurity career guidance, so how you can learn about the cybersecurity, from where you need to learn, because so many people are coming out from the college graduation, right? So in the college graduation, whatever you are studying, yes, that is good, but whenever you talk about the production, whenever you talk about in the real time scenario, this is completely different. So for that, you need to understand, right, that you need to study. So how you are going to study, so what is your guidance, who will give you that guidance? So on that also, I'm going to share my experience into that. So if you are from a different domain also, then there is no problem in that, because if I talk about myself, I am not from the CS background, I am not from the computer science, I am not from the cybersecurity. I'm completely from a different domain, and I am working. I came from the mechanical domain. So this is all about how I have done my transition from a different domain to this one. So there is no rule that you have to do this certification or you have to do this courses to join into the cybersecurity. No, it is not like that. So whenever you talk about the basics part, so basics is the main fundamental, right? So whenever you are working in a production floor, so in that time you should know what is the basics of that. So consider you are talking about the router and firewall. So before going to the router and firewall, you should know what is network, what is network topology, right? Before starting in the cybersecurity, networking is the main part, right? So these are the coming under in your basics part. So advanced part, in the sense, consider now you are talking about the SOAR part, ADR part, right? How it works. Those are the things also I'm going to deep dive into each and every specific domain, and I'll share my input on that. So now people are talking about the cybersecurity insurance, right? What is cyber insurance? So why it is come up? What is the agenda behind that? Those are the things also I'm going to derive easy manner. So each and every domain, whenever you will talk about that specific domain, I will try to correlate with the existing real world scenario so that you can easily understand how you can do it. So whenever you will talk about the how to crack the interview, right? So I have arranged almost 113 or 114 plus cybersecurity interview questions. So whenever I talk to any juniors, whenever I'll talk to any my colleagues, whenever I'm talking to seniors, so always I will try to understand how was their interview experience, and I'll try to grab those things. And I have already uploaded all these questions in my website. If you can free just have a look on that, that will be given a very good benefit to you to crack any kind of cybersecurity interview. So next part, cybersecurity podcast also you can see in my YouTube channel. So in cybersecurity podcast, if I talk about whenever you have studied in your school days, right, or in your college days, that experience is different. Whenever you're working in the production floor, in the day-to-day activity, whatever you are doing, so whatever you are learning, that is completely different learning approach. So whenever you are talking to somebody, how they are going to how you are going to learn that. So whenever you talk to any senior, whenever you will talk to any topmost position like CISOs or solution architects, whenever you will talk to them, you can know what is the agenda behind after 5 years down the line. So they will think about the futuristic, right? So those things I will try to connect with them, and I'll try to do a podcast on that. So those things also you can expect in the YouTube channel. So, and another thing, this is not last part, but it is more crucial in today's world, because whenever you're talking about the cyber crimes, right? So nowadays cyber crimes is very increased. If you talk about the 2010 and 2023, it is drastically changed, because whenever the internet uses are very less in the 2010, right? And nowadays the internet users are very vast. So most of the people are using the Android smartphones instead of the normal keypad mobile. If they are using the devices, then the internet is used, your data is used. How you are going to secure it? If you don't know how to secure it, then scammer and hacker will hack you. So in this part also, I'm going to share entire cybersecurity awareness, how you are going to protect yourself in this recent world. That also you can expect in the YouTube channel. So in the next part, so mostly I have covered each and everything what are things I am going to cover in my YouTube channel. So this is all about my YouTube channel. So you can expect these entire 9 domains in my YouTube channel. So I am ready to start with you. So if you think it is valuable for you, please do subscribe. And I have shared my website and LinkedIn. Yes, and before ending the video, I'll just try to share that I have recently completed a book, and that is published in the Amazon Kindle. So the name is Bird's Eye View of Cybersecurity. In that book, I have covered entire cybersecurity of the corporate industry. So from starting from the SOC to ending in the cybersecurity insurance, right? So why people are talking about? So mostly you have heard about your health insurance, your term insurance, all those things. But now people are talking about the cyber insurance. What is that? So those are the things I have covered in the my book. If you can get some time, please do go to my YouTube, go to my website, and you can just watch. You can just read out the book over there, so that you can get to know the entire cybersecurity domain in a broader perspective. So thanks everyone for watching the video. So I'll start one by one videos related to the cybersecurity domain. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.